Do you want to keep your PC running smoothly? Achieving this often feels like a Herculean task, but it doesn't have to be. Here are the top 5 tasks you can do to ensure your computer operates at its best. Firstly, regular updates are vital. Think of them as your computer's morning coffee. They wake up the system, provide it with fresh energy, and keep it prepared for the day. Your operating system, antivirus software, and other applications regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. To update your software, navigate to the settings of each application and look for an update or check for updates option. Remember to restart your computer after each update to ensure all changes take effect. Secondly, clear your cache and temporary files. This is like taking out the trash. Over time, your computer stores temporary files that can take up valuable space. To clear them, on Windows, open the Disk Cleanup tool, select the drive you want to clean, and check the boxes for the types of files you want to delete. On Mac, you can use the Storage Management tool to optimize your storage. Next, defragment your hard drive. This is the equivalent of tidying up your room. Files get scattered across your hard drive over time, slowing down your computer. The defragmentation process reorganizes these files, making them easier to access. On Windows, use the Optimize Drives tool. On a Mac, this process is automatic, so you don't have to worry about it. The fourth task is to regularly back up your data. Think of this as insurance for your files. In case of a system crash or malware attack, you won't lose your important files. Use an external hard drive or a cloud-based service to store copies of your files. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Lastly, clean your hardware. This is like giving your computer a bath. Dust and grime can cause your computer to overheat, which can lead to performance issues. Use a can of compressed air to clean your keyboard, mouse, and the inside of your computer tower. To sum up, keep your PC running smoothly by regularly updating your software, clearing your cache and temporary files, defragmenting your hard drive, backing up your data, and cleaning your hardware. Each task is simple, but together they can make a significant difference in your computer's performance. So don't delay. Start implementing these tasks today and give your PC the care it deserves.